can be there in databases or file systems, right? So data can be there in databases or file systems. Okay, now tell me what kind of data formats or file formats are you aware of? Okay, specifically, I would throw this question to uh, Sunidhi, Devyansh, Sumit, Atharv. Okay, so what kind of data file formats do you come across or are you aware of?
Can you give some examples?
Okay, yeah, if I will give example, okay, let me give one example. Okay, Excel. Excel is one kind of file format we come across.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so in Microsoft Excel we have rows and columns, and we can basically organize information in a better way in Excel. Okay, so what other types of files we can have
Or
where data can be there?
isn't like all the office programs are data thing only? Like to put data and to organize data? All the office program? No?
All the Office programs, are you referring to the Microsoft Office
Yes,
that okay?
Microsoft Office.
Yeah, so that's true, yes. So PowerPoint and Word, so all that, yes. All that is different file formats of data, true, yes. Mahesh, you want to say something?
Might be the yeah. If we are dealing with the database, then we can say that SQL also.
Yes, obviously. So SQL, like MySQL or
Yeah.
Oracle SQL, so that is another source of
And
data.
if we are talking about the unstructured data, in that case, log files might be there will be some kind of patterns, but still that is not organized as much as we are seen in the Excel sheet or the any other databases. But log files are there, or the logs which are unstructured, we can say, for
Right,
the
correct.
various systems.
Right. True. Yes. So logs, obviously they are semi-structured or unstructured data. Yes, that is also a file format. Sumit, you wanted to say something? You want to?
Simply text or CSV files.
Yes, obviously. So text files, they are also one format of data. Right. Okay. Yeah. So these are few formats, and if we keep on exploring, okay, just try to understand the kind of data which is there inside these files. Okay. Now, if we talk about Excel, okay. So here, so if we talk about Excel, so Excel contains structured data. If you talk about text is basically unstructured format. Okay, so this we need to understand that what is structured and what is unstructured, this we need to understand. Okay, because based upon that only we will have to basically start with the analysis, or start with the tool which we are using for analysis, that which tool should we use for which type of data. If you have CSV file, okay, that is comma separated values. Okay, so if you have CSV file, you can go ahead with, you can go ahead with some software which can handle structured data, because it is also structured. Okay, like CSV, then whatever format you have, like you can have comma separated values, or you can have TSV, tab separated values, or anything, pipe separated values can be there. Okay, so the only thing is comma is replaced by tab, comma is replaced by pipe symbol. Okay, but they are having similar formats. Okay, then your database softwares. So now database softwares like MySQL is there, okay, or your MS SQL server is there, MS Microsoft SQL server is there, okay, and many like IBM DB2 is there. So database softwares, they also have data in structured format. Okay, so uh, here for structured, okay, our Tableau can work. Okay, the Tableau can work with structured data. Your even Excel is also used for analysis. Your Excel will also be able to help you with the structured data. And you have SQL, structured query language. It will also help to analyze the structured data. Okay, so Tableau, Excel, and SQL, they will help you to analyze your structured data. Okay, but now if you have unstructured data, okay, if you have unstructured data, like you have text files, okay, after text files, now I will say social media data. Okay, then you have images, you have videos, you also have audios. Okay, so all this data, in fact, logs also I can put here. Okay, they are semi-structured, so somehow we'll be able to manage. Okay, logs also partially we'll be able to manage. Okay, otherwise logs will come here also if they are complex. Okay, so this is important to understand what kind of data are we dealing with. Okay, and therefore this terminology, okay, like I introduced you with OLTP and OLAP. Okay, so T is transaction, so transaction is not analysis, so we will leave it. Okay, OLAP is analysis, but OLAP also works. Okay, OLAP also works with structured data mostly. If you want to go for unstructured data analysis, then you will have to use some kind of tool which works on that raw data. Okay, so therefore we will use Python to manage this kind of data which is not structured. Okay, so you will have to use some kind of tool. Python can be there. Okay, options are many. R can be there. Okay, and you can have some other techniques like MapReduce with Java you can do, or you can write some jobs and any other like Scala language is there. So different options are there to deal with unstructured data also. Okay, and one good tool is there which is Storm. Okay, so this is a free software. It actually used to help us with log data. Okay, every system generates lot of logs, so it basically fetches out important statistics or measure important types of logs. Okay, and it gives a collective information with the help of a graphical interface that which type of logs are getting generated more during the course of time, so that it is easy for the system uh, analyst to understand the performance of the system, or basically if some kind of logs which are, let's say, some info level logs are there, some error, debug, some fatal, so different types of logs are there, so he can understand that which kind of logs are being generated and if there is any kind of issue or risk. Okay.
If you liked our video and would like to recommend it to your friends, please like, share, and subscribe to Indeed Inspiring Infotech. We would also love to hear your suggestions and feedback in the comment section below.